Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So last week I shared a video of, picking papers for a whole album of a photo shoot with my grandchildren. And so today I'm going to do a process video. I'm going to make one of the pages with the papers that I picked out. So I picked out this for a background and this for those photos. And when I went to do the page, I decided I needed another paper for frames. So I went back and I found this in the same here it is, Harvest Meadow. I thought that was really pretty. Anyway, so I found that paper in there. And so now I was going to make the frames out of that. And then I pulled some solid colored papers. I also pulled some teal because there's teal in this, the dark teal leaves. And then I found in Creative Memories Art Nouveau, there were some teal papers. So I pulled out some sheets of that in case I needed, and brown for matting photos and whatnot. So let's begin. I did plan out my page already in Design Space, and I cut out the Cricut images that I'm going to use, so I wouldn't take so long doing this video. Okay, now, so first of all, I decided that I'm going to do Kiwi Lane. So I cut out in the brown and the white background print Kiwi Lane templates for here and here. So I'm going to place those, and then I'm going to put a border or something on top. I've decided I'm going to put one picture on this side, and I did cut out a frame with the striped wood looking paper for this, and I'm going to mat it with that on there. So you can always go to my website for Design Space links for my pages. Now this one, there won't be any link until I post this album. Whoops. But all of my pages, there are links for them. There we go. Okay, I'm going to actually tack these down because I know what I'm going to do. My rule of thumb is never tape anything until I'm happy with the finished page. So I just lay everything in place and look at it, and if I'm not sure, I walk away and come back in a few hours, and if I still like it, then I tape it. But since I've pretty much done this one already, I'm good to go. Let's see if I put these right together. Okay, I was going to do a Kiwi Lane, but then when I pulled out that Art Nouveau from Creative Memories, I remembered that I have an embellishment pack that goes with. They have stickers and borders and titles there, so I thought I'd check them out, and I found this perfect teal border. So I decided to use this on here. It's just perfect. I love it. It was amazing to me that the Creative Memories pack coordinated with this so beautifully. So there's titles as well. I did pick a title from one of these packs, and then anyway, let's get on. Now that fits there, and I've already taped the other one down, so I'm going to do one higher and one lower and tilt them a little bit. So I decided to put a tree image because of the trees. I found a silhouette image of trees, and I was going to put this back here, there, but it was too much. It was being covered up way too much, so I cut this tree off, and I'm moving it over to here. So that's what I'm doing with that. Now, when I put this there, I don't have to cover up so much of it. So that worked. Then, I did cut, in my design space layout, I cut a teal branch, kind of like this, to put here. And I did cut one out for each side. I also found in this Art Nouveau, this is the embellishments, all kinds of cutouts, and there's pearls. I'm going to use some of those. And I pulled out some embellishments. There's all kinds of them in here. And since they were the right color, I cut that out with a Cricut. I thought, oh, I'm going to see if I can do some flourishes here, or little sections there, groupings with these images. So I found leaves, flourishes, so I thought I'd do a grouping here and one here. I could do it on this side. I don't like this here. It's a bit too busy. I like this one on there. So, yeah, I like that there. I'm going to put this word, maybe that'll show up on this. There. I want this title on here. And now I'm going to see, add a couple leaves. Just make a little grouping. I can lift. That's cute. All right. Maybe I'll put this under here, part of that grouping. I think I will. All right, so I'm liking this. I'm going to start taping it down. Let's use some glue. I don't think I'll have to glue the whole thing. I don't mind if it all. There, that works. Well, I'm going to have to glue. I think I'll put some dots, pop dots under the top of the tree. Then I'm going to maybe not on this one because the photo's going on top of it. There we go. Trying to leave a border there. Don't like everything going to the edge. I'm liking, there are a lot of silhouette images in Design Space, and I'm quite liking them. So if I put this down here, I can lift this up with pop dots. So I'll try that. The other thing that I decided to add was I'm new at I'm new at being a Creative Memories advisor, but I've used their products for years. So I did get a new border punch, and I thought I would like to use the birds on a wire. So I thought that would be fun. So I cut this out, and I thought I'd like that right along the top here. I'm going to put it on pop dots. Maybe I'll move this down. That's a little better because it's in the same paper as the frame. I thought that was cute. I really like that. So, oh, I went and glued that, and I hadn't glued the photo. Now I have to try and lift it up quickly. There we are. There. Push it over a bit to have room for my there. It's too cute. Those birds make me giggle. All right, now if I do this. There. All right, I'm gonna, now here, I like that cluster like that, and I'll just put this there. I don't need to adhere all over to my photo. So I'll just do it in one spot. That's cute. Anyway, I guess you get the hang of what I'm doing on this page. I'm going to put a pop dot in the flower. And that's a leaf. Raise this. And I guess that's, yeah, I don't like that sticking out. I'm going to glue this. That's better. So that's this page. I will share some more as I do them. I'm not going to take this down right now, so you can, otherwise the video is just going to be way too long. Thank you for watching.